Ever wondered how cloud computing works or why it's such a buzzword in the tech world today? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Azure Cloud Basics, your first steps to mastery. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet or the cloud, and it's revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and interact. From data storage and analytics to artificial intelligence and machine learning, the cloud is the place to be. One of the key players in this realm is Microsoft Azure. Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services that developers and IT professionals use to build, deploy, and manage applications. Its capabilities are vast, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate. To start your Azure journey, you need to set up an account. Head over to the Azure website and select Start Free. You'll be asked to log in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't fret. It's easy to create one, just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to provide some information and verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to protect your account. After verification, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully. Next comes the exciting part, accessing your $200 credit. Yes, you heard that right. Azure offers a $200 credit to explore its services for the first 30 days. Just enter your credit card details for account verification. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you decide to upgrade. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to explore the Azure portal. This is where you'll create and manage all your Azure resources. The dashboard is customizable, so feel free to arrange it in a way that suits you best. Azure offers a myriad of services, but for beginners, some key features to explore are virtual machines, app services, and storage accounts. Don't be overwhelmed by the options. Take it slow and remember the aim is to learn and explore. Creating a simple project is a great way to get your feet wet. Try setting up a basic virtual machine or deploying a simple web app. Azure's documentation and tutorials are there to guide you every step of the way. Remember, the Azure community is vast and diverse with many learning resources at your disposal. Join forums, attend webinars, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Azure's success stories are filled with individuals who once were in your shoes. So, what are you waiting for? Your journey to mastering Azure begins today. Dive in, start exploring, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Happy cloud computing!